Hello, what's going on everyone? And in this video, I just wanted to show you guys how you can verify your identity on that of the CEX.io app right here. Okay, so I want to tap on that app and then it's basically going to take me to this stage. Okay, I've basically done the first step and that is just to just enter my details. Just enter your email and then your your name and then either last name or phone number is going to actually bring you. I don't actually remember what I did in the first place, but it's something like just the initial sign up with adding something like my email address right there. Then we're going to start off with the second step right here, which I believe is actually the step that most of you actually finding it difficult to actually accomplish. So we want to verify our identity right here. So all you need to do is to tap on where it says verify now. I'm going to tap on that without wasting any time. All right, once it takes us to this interface, we basically want to fill out this form. I'm going to enter my country right here, and that's going to be Nigeria because that's where I am from and that's where I am right now. So the zip code is right here. I'm going to just go ahead and enter my own zip code. You should just check on Google to know the zip code for your area. Okay, I'm staying in Nsukka, so here is going to be my zip code like that. Then for the state right here, let's go ahead and enter Enugu right here. So I'm going to select Enugu. And for the city, this is going to be Nsukka right here. So I'm going to just do Nsukka. And then for the street address, we can go ahead and then enter our street address right here. So this is going to be that's just because going to be 2B, and this is Alomona Street, New Anglican Road, Nsukka right there, and that should just be it on that line. So this one is actually optional, your apartment. So I want to click on next. That's what I want to do. So let's tap on that. It's going to take us to this interface. It's automatically detected my area, so I'm going to go ahead and enter my phone number right here. So we're going to emit the first digits. So this is going to be something of this nature. All right, so we'll have that in place. So we want to click on next. That's the next thing to do. And then it's going to bring us to this interface where we basically need to select our document type. So I'm going to tap on this. Let's tap that. And then I'm going to use my national ID card, and then the issuing country is actually Nigeria, so that's correct. So you can go ahead and click on where it says continue. Okay, and you basically need to get your ID card ready at this moment. So I'm going to go ahead and then get mine ready right now to snap it. So let's do this right now. So you should just make sure that the environment where you're doing that is actually highly illuminated. Okay, so I'm going to take the picture right now. And I think this is really smart enough, so we can say it's readable by tapping on this right here. If it is actually not readable, you can tap on retake. Okay, so I've actually taken that, and what I want to do next is to just turn it around for the back side of the picture, okay, or the card. So I think this is clear enough, right? And let's go ahead and tap on take a snapshot. And I think that this is also clear enough, so we can go ahead and click I touch on this which says it's readable. Alright, so that's just gone through. So we need to still fill out this form. Let me enter my first name right here, which is actually going to be Chiji, okay? And then for my middle name, this is David. I think that part is actually optional, but I just want to add it right there. Then for the last name, it's actually going to be Chito. Alright, so that's my last name. Then let's go ahead and enter date of birth right here. And I'm going to just tap on this. Okay. Alright, so I think that's actually correct. I'm going to just tap on OK after selecting my date of birth. And if you take a look at that, you see that my date of birth is actually right there. So then the next thing is to select your gender. So if we tap right here, and that's just male. And then for nationality, that's actually going to be Nigeria. And let's click on next. That's the next thing to do. Right here, it's asking if the document has expiry date. Mine doesn't, so I'm going to turn that off. And that is just that on that line. And for the serial number, I think they need the serial number on this particular field. So let's type that right in. So alright guys, so that's just basically the information right there. All you need to do is to go ahead and click on, so let's click on next right here, and that is it. So it takes you to the next level. So this time around, they're going to take a picture of yourself with your ID card held that way that they are just basically demonstrating. So to do this, you need to make sure that your camera is on, and then you're going to turn the orientation of your camera to horizontal. So it's going to be a landscape, not a portrait this time around. Okay, and I think that this is where most people are finding it difficult. So you're going to have to turn your camera, your phone or whatever you're using. If it is camera, I need to turn it horizontally. So I'm going to do that. And some phones may actually pose some issues at this particular moment. So you may have to go to your settings and then try to do that. Make sure you put it in order. Okay, so let's touch this, and then your name has to be in. Oh, I think I got this wrong. Okay, so I need to put, I think I should basically hold the card on the right hand side, right? Let's try this again. So this should be now recognized. I want to try this again. Alright, at this point they are saying that they are unable to recognize my face and my document, so I should just manually take a selfie with my document. Okay, so what I'm going to do now is to click on OK right here, and then now we'll have something like take a snapshot right here. So I'm going to just basically try to take a snapshot with this document right here. So I'm going to just basically bring my face very close. So what I'm going to do right now is I want to just place everything as close as it is now right now, and I'm going to just tap on where it says take a snapshot. Alright, so I think that is it's basically readable. So all we need to do right now is to say something like it's readable, okay? But if it is not actually readable, you can just say something like retake from here, and you can retake that. In fact, it seems like this is really not readable, so there's a lot of reflection on this. I think I should retake this, guys. Okay, so I think it's really okay this way, so let's take this. And I think it's a lot better now than the way it was before. So let's go ahead and then click on it's readable. Alright guys, so I think for now they have actually taken that the picture has been submitted, and then this is the message we have right now. They say that they are processing my request to increase my account limits, okay? And then they're actually going to inform me by email on the decision that they have taken so far, okay? But at the moment I've been verified to a certain level, so that means I can actually go back to the app and begin to explore the app right now. So let's click on back to app right here, and as you can see, you see that this particular part is done and it's taking me up to a different level. I don't know, maybe I still need to do something one more. So guys, so it's actually a different day right now, and after we submitted our KYC the other day, and they actually told us that they were actually going to get back to us via our email, and it took like a week plus before they actually got back to me right now. Okay, I haven't actually opened this first of all, this a particular app as of today, but what I basically want to do right now is that I want to go to my email first of all, because I received an email from them, but I haven't actually opened the email. So if you take a look here, you're going to see that there is an email on this particular place right now that says identity verification approved, and then it has something that's just the subject. And what I want to do right now, I think I have a good feeling that they have actually basically approved me. Okay, so I want to open that email up and then read the email right now. Okay, so they said approved 2024, and the date is just right there, and they said your identity has your identity verification has been approved, and they mentioned my name right there, and then they said good news right here, and then they have a lot of some other information that is actually here, which you can actually read through. Okay, so my user ID is actually here, and you can actually go through the message if you want to, and that is just that. Okay, so it means that they have actually approved me that of my identity verification. So what I want to do right now is that I want to go back to the app. Okay, and if I go back to the app right now, what I want to do is to open the app up and then see what they basically have, if they can actually allow me go past the verification page. Okay, so let me touch on the app right here to launch it. Alright guys, so you see that verification has actually gone through, guys. So that's why we were able to go beyond that particular level. Okay, so as you can see, I can basically explore the app right now and then make use of it. Okay, so that's just basically what that is. So, and what happens is that it really actually took quite a lot of time before they actually approved me, but I did not actually do anything extra, except that I actually got very angry at them, and I even went to their Telegram to drop some messages like that, and then I did not actually drop my details that maybe warrant them going to their application, and then they kind of approve me just like that. Okay, so what I did was to just say that I've actually given up on them. Okay, on that of their Telegram channel. You see that I can actually explore the app right now, so the limit has actually been raised, it has been increased, so I can actually go through the app and then explore the app right now. Okay, so that's just what that is. So as far as the interface is actually concerned, or some few things that we need to do here, that should actually be another video. I'm going to actually take a look at these to see how we can actually make a wallet from this particular place. Okay, so if you touch on the wallet section, you see that we have quite a few things in here. You can buy, you can receive, you can sell, and you can actually convert. Okay, so that's just what is on this particular interface. So what I basically want us to do is that I'm going to actually end the video right here. Okay, and then in the next one I'm going to like explore the things that are actually here, okay, so that we can actually take it further to claiming our airdrop. That's just that, guys. So it may take you a lot of time to be able to get the approval from them, but definitely you may have a good luck and then they will actually approve you. Okay, so that's just what I did, and I believe that you guys kind of understand that. Okay, so that's just how the app looks like. So thank you guys, and then if you don't want to miss out on the next video that I'm actually going to drop on them, you should feel free to subscribe or follow me on Facebook right now, and I'll see you guys in the next one. So thank you guys for watching.